HIV stigma is a pervasive problem that affects millions of people living with HIV around the world. It does not only affect persons living with HIV, it also affects their families and people within their sphere of contact. NAPLAS Ghana, in collaboration with Proactive Global, with support from GNP+, embarked on an HIV anti-stigma campaign last year. The purpose of the campaign was to educate the general public, especially the youth, on the need to stop HIV stigma as a way of ending the HIV pandemic. This 10-part docu-series highlights some key points raised by persons living with HIV, experts, HIV specialists, partners and donors. Journey with us as we learn to adopt positive attitudes to eradicate all forms of HIV-related stigma.